Hey, Dr. David Krohse here, and I wanted to share just a couple other tips, thoughts of things that you can do to sleep better. One is that obviously there's way too much technology used late at night, and when you bring that cell phone into your room late at night and you're playing on it, I mean, that can keep your brain wound up. I know that during college, if I was composing a paper and working on the computer, I could work, there were times that I stayed up until 5 in the morning and I never really felt tired, so that blue light can come in and it stimulates your brain. And so unplugging your phone, you can get these yellow glasses that are blue light blocking glasses, or some of the phones you can even search in your phone if it has a blue light blocking mode, or turn the blue light off in your phone after a certain time, and that can help you relax better. But overall, you know, we'd say the cell phones are stimulating for the brain, so keep those out of the picture. Another thing that my wife, she's now using is like a weighted blanket, and that is something that can just be very soothing, and so that's another thing that you can consider adding if you're having trouble sleeping at night. So I hope that all these tips give you some just high quality sleep. Again, you know, the top things we help people with are back pain, neck pain, headaches, shoulders and hips. People come in a lot of pain, and getting a good night's sleep is a part of enabling your body to heal. And so that's where I wanted to get this information out for you and just get you going the right direction as soon as possible. So if any of these tips help you, reach out to me, send me a note. I'd love to hear that I helped you. And if you're out there putting up with pain and you'd like a thorough workup, you know, get onto our website, book an appointment, or just pick up the phone and give us a call. So Dr. David Krohse, be thrilled to meet you if I haven't met you yet.